Hi, I'm Lydia, and today we'll be drawing a beaver. So that's a little, brown creature that it can swim and it can eat wood. Yeah, and that's what we're gonna draw. And I hope you like it. So as you see, got a sheet of paper, on pencil, and this much coloring pencils, and also this boy. So we need orange, we need a brown, we need another different kind of brown, if you can see the difference, and we need a darkish brown. A bit more dull. Then we need a bit red brown, and this is a very reddish brown. So that's all our brown stuff and the orange. Now I want you to get a green, dark green, a light green, a very light green, a gold, and a blue. So let's start with the beaver head. Make it show it's on the ground. So do the fluffy ears like an arch shape, but when you have done the arch like this, overlap it and make it a bit fluffy. And then you connect it from this one, do a half circle to connect it. The eyes is kind of like a cylinder shape. So we're gonna leave it white like that. And then make sure it's the same, so it's not one tall and then one small. So that's our eyes. Now the mouth. First you start with a line, then you do it with a triangle. You shade it in, do a line in the middle, do kind of worry face. And then we're going to draw the teeth. Remember, beavers can cut off wood. And if you want to smile, connect the line into a very nice looking smile. Yeah, and that's our beaver. All we have to do is the body. So on the left side, you draw a small line, upside down finger, a bit more fatter, like this, can fill the hole. And then from in the middle, do a dot, go a bit right, and draw the two little arms. You can draw like a claw or something. And at the very end of the hands. Okay, so now we're going to draw the tail. Make sure it's going to be super fluffy, because beavers are fluffy tails. Kind of like a squirrel. Like that. All we have to do is the legs and the feet. Let's draw an easy one. So put a nice round fluffy kind of shape, and now from about the half, connect it with a rather like a strange looking triangle shape, like that. And if you want to be very cute or very creative, you first draw a very big circle, leave a white, draw another circle, and underneath, on top, and draw 4 little white circles to make the paws. Then color it in with black. can use a color pencil or a texture to use it to color it in. Now you can draw another beaver. Just do the same thing like that. You can draw a mom, a dad, or a small one. So I'm going to draw a big one right now. I finished my beaver. I got a big one and a small one, and this is the one that I first drew. So let's draw a little hut for it. So first you draw a line, draw another one, and then draw as many as you like to fill the hut, so where all the beavers live. And after in the coloring, you just use brown to, just color it in roughly. Let's make a small door for it. And let's make a bit of smoke. For the smoke, you need to first cover down, like an upside down question mark, and then cover it more. And then how to make the smoke, you from the top area make a bit bigger, but you have to be the same trail. And then when you go to the end, slowly connect like that. You can do some, lining up like that. Let's now do a small valley. So scribble up to the small road for the beaver. So when you do the road, you have to connect this all the way out there. We'll be using this page followed by this one. Mix it up to make it as a valley. Let's now all do the trees. How to draw the trees is you need to do one line, longer line, a small one, big one, a very big one, a small one, and a middle size. Don't connect it up to there because we'll be drawing like the dirt. Yeah. Okay. So the trees, we have to do it in the coloring. So we just use the trees and everywhere. But first we're going to do an outline. So you slowly do a sketch of what you're going to do after in the coloring. Just eat. So that's my road. Let's make it morning or night. Maybe I'll do it night, so we'll do a small round moon just on the left side of the area. Just over there. When you do the coloring, how to do it is first you use white. Yeah, you can't see the white, but just use the white to coat it in. That, and then you use your pencil to do some small dots on it, and then you can connect them all to make it into a moon shape. So let's add some more wood to it. Yep, and that's how we are going to do it. You can also add some pebbles along the road to the beaver's house if you want. For me, I'm just gonna do some small pebbles on it. So now we just have to do the coloring. For the sky, you need to first, if you want to do some stars, you can just get out your yellow and then do some stars, and then use a darker blue, like this one, maybe this color, to shade the sky. Now I'm gonna color it in, and I hope you like it. As you see, I finished my coloring. For the trees, you can do it in different orders. So for this dark one, I use this one, darkish one, and then I use the aqualish green. And then for the second one, for this one, I use the dark one again, and then I used the grass green. And then I just covered it in different colors. I used this one, and this one. These three colors. And for the dark, I used the reddish one. And the moon, I added yellow, white, and put dots on it. This is all my stars. Now, all we have to do is sign name. Sign it maybe over here. And I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed to draw this beaver and the beaver house. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.